Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you some very simple things you can do with sea glass. They're all pretty much self-explanatory, but let's start by creating a picture using our pieces. Now let's get into some proper stuff. I like to pick out the smaller pieces to make some delicate jewelry. I'm gonna start with this necklace clasp. I don't want to drill my glass today, so I'm going to remove the middle pieces of this clasp and glue it into the glass using some super glue. If you're wondering, epoxy resin glue is the best way for jewelry making. But I just had some super glue on hand. Next we have the easiest pieces to make, stud earrings. All you need are these earring bases and a glue. This green ball I'm using is just some polymer clay to help keep the pieces in place. I also have these clear plastic pendant backings. And some metal ones as well. And this green piece of glass looks kind of like a heart. I also made some green earrings to match. Then I decided to paint some of the glass. I saw someone on Pinterest put flowers on sea glass and got really inspired by that. Use the ring base and painted sea glass to make this amber looking piece. Next we have this round bead cap and an eye hook pin. I glued them together and added sea glass. I also added a sunflower to the one with the plastic backing. And that's it. Pretty simple, huh? While collecting sea glass for this video, I also saw dolphins for the very first time, so here's some footage of that. Thank you for watching, make sure to like, subscribe and all that, and have a great day. Bye!